What if I told you that you could create stunning, viral motivational videos without any animation skills? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos on Canva. Simple, quick, and effective. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own animation video. Let's dive in.
First, create a new project in Canva. Since we will be uploading in social media, I will create a social media post. We need black background, so change its color to black. After making our background black, go to Elements. Then click on Graphics. Here you will see different graphical elements. Click on this three dot and filter Animated Only. What this does is it will only show animated elements. From here I will select this elements. And once you select this elements, now Canva will recommend similar elements to you. Now select other elements like bouncing ball. From here I will select this element. Likewise, you can do the same for your elements as well. Let me resize these elements. Now let me quickly input motivational quotes in these design. And make sure you highlight one of the word, so that it looks professional. I have copied and pasted from other source. After imputing your text, it should look something like this. Now let's be creative and make something unique. Once you know how to create this, then you can create any kind of animation right inside Canva. Press L and bring a line to your design. Adjust it like this. Press this to make this line bold. And make it a bit shorter. Now duplicate by pressing Alt, then drag. I will make this a bit longer. Click on Text and input text. Adjust according to your need. Now click on Duplicate and bring the text in the bottom. You can do it by pressing Alt and left click to duplicate it. And change the text. Okay, basic designing is complete. Now it's time to bring other elements to our design. Again, I will duplicate this stick and resize it to put inside of this design. Make the corner round. You can do it by simple pressing this icon. Now change the color. Duplicate the text to input on this side. I will change the font type. And if you press this icon, it will copy the style of the design. Like previous, we will change one letter, the font color. Designing part is now complete. Now it's time to animate. To do that, go to Elements and search for Stick Person. From here I will select this running man. Bring it in our design and adjust its position. Now again duplicate by pressing this icon. And bring the element down. Click on this Animate button. You will get this bee icon. Click on it. Now start dragging the element from one side to other. It will look something like this. Select movement style to smooth or steady. You can adjust the speed as well. Let me select steady for now. And do the same for this element as well. Make sure you match the timing of both the elements. Now if you want, you can further add other elements to match your style. Now you will be able to create your own viral motivational video. If you want to learn how I made these, then I have created a playlist for you to learn all these skills, so you can create these viral motivational videos.